On a zoomed out view, I can see that we've been in a downtrend and we're still in a general downward motion, making lower highs and lower lows. We've had a good break of structure right here. We have an area of demand that was right here. Now this area of demand, it made price go up. It did create a break of structure. I do see this is a valid demand zone. This zone came down, created inducement, but did not tap into that zone, and then zone was later violated with a clean candle, which gives me the indication that this has the potential of being retested on the other side. However, based on the fact that it's sitting between 50 and 61.8%, it's a lower probability point of interest to take a trade from, because there is points of interest above this demand turn supply zone that price has a reason to come up and mitigate. What I suspect could potentially happen is price can make its way up, make a temporary drop, and then come back up here to take the liquidity that gets engineered, mitigate this zone, and then make the actual move. So that's what I'm looking at for the euro. Now there may be long opportunities on the way up to this, and that's really going to be dictated by the kind of structure you may find on the 1 hour to 15 minutes. Just knowing that this may be the profit objective where you need to start thinking about getting out and start looking for short.